Hi, what's in the box? A vintage toy or action figures? Let's find out. Let's see if I can open it. Without having to. I've got this, well, it's either going to be a bargain or a disaster. I got this off eBay. I was the only bidder, so I was quite surprised at considering what it came with. I'm going to put it into two separate boxes. I do apologise for so obviously they like buying things on Amazon Prime. Quite looking forward to opening this. See which one this one is first. I'm trying to put them down the side so I don't really want to give them away. So this one's the main one. It was two action figures of the same line. And normally I've seen these go for a lot more than what I paid for it. Just make sure there's nothing else in the boxes. Alright, so comes with these accessories. This helmet. For all the people who know their stuff's going to know what these are straight away. And here he is. It is $6 Million Man. It's got his badge, which was missing on one I was looking. Magnifying glass works. It's cloudy. Just turn his head. Oops. Relax it. Turn his head. Arm action works. Put his head back to go down. Hot. Ooh, both socks. I thought he only had one sock. Because in the picture it just really only showed it. He's actually got both socks, which makes it even better bargain. Comes with the it's not the it's hard to describe it. It's got the grey arm. It's got an original rubber. Let's see if I can take it out. I don't really want to break it, to be honest. I can just show you. Comes with that arm. It's got the hands. What? No fingers missing anywhere. Yeah, no fingers missing. So it's got that one, and it's got the original rubber band in it. I don't know if this was from an accessory set, you know, this arm, but I don't care because it's going to be covered over anyway. I'm trying to find the one with the bionic bits, but he's pretty cool. Very happy with him. What's even better is you've got this one as well. It's got the see that, yeah, works. See if his bionic feature works. Yeah, that one works. This has got the it's the one that normally comes with all the different faces. So this one, I'm going to get the chips. You can actually get the chips for this arm. I probably could change that arm and put it on that one, but I'm not going to bother. I'll leave it as it is. Comes with the engine block, all intact. And I paid the grand total, including free postage and packaging. He ain't got no socks, but I'm not worried about it. The grand total of £58 for all of this. So I've got both these figures, the astronaut set. I don't know how much they go for, I might sell them on. And that, the block, all for £58. So, very happy. I'm not sure whether... See, I had this before, but I don't remember whether the cover of the eye is missing. But I'm not really bothered because they're for me anyway. So I'm very happy. This one's very good condition. So anyway, so there are bargains still out there. So thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing for more videos like this. And I will collect you in the next video. Thanks for helping out the old bald man's channel. Bye for now.